With performance innovations inside and out, our side-by-side refrigerator is the freshest ingredient in the kitchen. Outside, the Print Shield finish for stainless steel resists fingerprints, watermarks, smudges, and worry. It makes the exterior easy to clean, keeping your refrigerator looking its best. Inside, the Extend Fresh Plus temperature management system helps keep food at its peak. Using a special sensor in both the refrigerator and freezer, it maintains the perfect temperature for freshness. So when you're ready to cook, you'll know your ingredients are taken care of. Help extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables with a produce preserver that absorbs ethylene gas to delay over-ripening. You can fresh pick your produce right from your refrigerator. And access to your ingredients has never been easier. Satin Glide Crispers allow effortless movement even when fully stocked. Get the refrigerator that keeps everything irresistible, including your kitchen. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.
Our counter-depth side-by-side refrigerator with Wave Touch controls offers more storage with the same shelf space as a standard depth refrigerator. It's easy to stay organized with beautiful ramp-up luxury design lighting that makes everything easy to find when you need it. And the adjustable luxury design glass shelves have a convenient lift-off function for easier cleaning. The shelves also help contain spills, making quick cleanup simple. Our ingenious Perfect Temp drawer has 9 preset food temperature selections, including cheese and white sparkling wine. It also has 3 My Favorite settings that can be customized with a temperature range of 28 to 42 degrees. And the luxury clothes drawer closes gently with a tight seal for longer food preservation. The Pure Advantage filtration systems keep clean, filtered air circulated throughout to prevent odor transfer and keep fresh, clean water and ice at your fingertips. And the 9-inch tall ice and water dispenser is designed to accommodate a variety of large containers, from a 16-ounce tumbler to a pitcher. In the freezer, luxury Glide freezer drawers glide out to give you easy access to what's inside. And the soft freeze bin is perfect storage for things like ice cream or anything you want to keep frozen but still soft for serving. The side-by-side refrigerator from Electrolux. Be even more amazing.
Haier India introduces its all-new side-by-side refrigerator HRF 748 kg. Its smooth black glass finish ensures that your refrigerator stays dust and scratch-free. The elegantly designed horizontal digital control panel placed over the top right section helps easily navigate the temperature settings. The refrigerator comes with a best-in-class mega space of 688 litres. The refrigerator section has a huge space of 420 litres and the freezer section comes with a space of 261 litres, big enough for everything you've bagged from the stores. Convertible Crisper has 4 different modes: Dry Fruit Mode, Quick Cool Mode, 0 Degree Fresh Mode, and Fish and Meat Mode. It is equipped with 3 toughened glass shelves, 4 spacious door bins, and separate fruit and vegetable compartments, keeping the food fresh for a time much longer than any conventional side-by-side refrigerator. Refrigerator's 38% freezer section helps you store more of your frozen foods. The freezer section has 4 door bins and 3 toughened glass shelves for added storage. Movable ice tray gets you twisted cubes easily. This refrigerator's twin inverter technology makes sure that both the compressor and fan motor works on inverter, leading to lesser fluctuations and longevity for the compressor. On top of it, you also get a 10-year warranty on both the compressor and the fan motor. Smart Function acts as an internal guide and directs the refrigerator through its high-tech sensors about maintaining the exact ambient temperature vis-à-vis the load. When on vacations, you can switch to Holiday Function that automatically adjusts the internal temperature of the freezer and sets the refrigerator at 17 degrees that avoids bad odor within the refrigerator. Forget about worrying how to quickly chill your products. Quick Freeze function does exactly that at just the touch of a button. Now you can start planning the unplanned parties. The top LEDs brilliantly illuminate every corner of the fridge compartment, ensuring about 30% less food wastage that usually ends up in trash due to poor visibility. Haier's noise control technology embeds refrigerator with centrifugal fan that circulates the cold air efficiently in the refrigerator and operates at a maximum noise of 38 decibels, while other conventional refrigerators operate the refrigerator at 40 decibels. So now you can have some soothing conversations in the kitchen as well. You must be thinking the big refrigerator with so many sensors may be eating up more power? Well, it's exactly the opposite. This refrigerator doesn't consume a single unit extra of energy, thanks to twin inverter compressor and how smart sensors automatically adjust the cooling supply with cooling demand, eventually leading to smart cooling. This is the Haier HRF 748 kg side-by-side refrigerator.